The day 2 of Indian International Jewellery Week 2013 saw some prominent Bollywood celebrities at their glamorous best. Have a look.
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए, बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों ना मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, है सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं।
Jewel Trends is a fabulous company, बहुत ही अच्छी कंपनी है and I was really honored कि मुझे एक ग्रैंड फिनाले शो स्टॉपर की तरह आज बुलाया गया जो मेन अट्रैक्शन था शो का and I'm very humbled, I'm very honored and बहुत मज़ा आया इन लोग के साथ काम करने में. As you can see, I've got this beautiful pearl set on. It's just really stunning and we are trying to do something different. ऐसे गाउन के साथ सब समझते हैं डायमंड ज्वेलरी पहनना चाहिए, but that is so conventional and boring and stereotypical, so we decided to do something different and offset an electric blue gown with beautiful white pearls.
It's like an Indian ensemble. I'm wearing like a jacket and a lehenga, and it's been designed by Sujal, and she's very good. I think she's very good in Indian stuff, and I'm wearing this, and I'm having this whole jewellery collection from Nidhi and Karan, and I think they have been superb in designing this kind of a wonderful diamond and all this, like danglers and necklaces and my finger ring and what is this, bracelet.
Is Rana your favorite male showstopper?
Definitely yes, Rana is one of the favorite showstopper I ever had. And the whole concept, whenever I think about a Nizam concept, me coming from Hyderabad, the collection named is Voyage of Satlada, and I was thinking about one model or an actor who could portray the king. I can only think about like Rana Daggubati, and we come from the same city, and the connection, everything grew much more stronger, and I think he looks amazing with the Satlada on him today.
People call you the king, so and especially it's the Nizam where I come from Hyderabad. And Muni comes from Hyderabad. It's part of our culture. It's part of our history in every which way. And yeah, walking around with two prettier people than I am is always a nice thing.
Every woman loves jewelry. Exactly. That's a very wrong question to ask me. All women love jewelry. And वैसे ही मुझे jewelry बहुत पसंद है और इनका concept है सतलरा. बहुत ही सुंदर concept है and it's basically a very traditional निज़ामी concept. बहुत ही सुंदर है जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं. और of course मैं भी इनकी collection से definitely खरीदने वाली हूँ.
I'm very happy today to have Rana, Kajal and Taapsee on board. I feel equally lucky. I think at the moment I'm very blessed and happy with what I'm doing.
This is the Nizam collection. It's full of uncut diamonds, and I've decided today to make it look different by wearing a neck piece on my head. And what's a bride in the making who doesn't really have too much fun with her jewelry, and that's what I'm representing today, apart from Gitanjali Jewels that I have been representing for the past 5 years, and my brand new relationship with Sonam and Paras Modi, who are the designers of this outfit. God, you said aap kab kar rahe hain? The last person who asked me a question, he's like, if and when you get married. Yes, I will get married. When, I don't know. I'm not dating anyone, or I don't see any potential husbands in and around my neighborhood. I might have to go a little far to find one. Well, I wouldn't marry an idiot if he gave me a piece of jewelry, but yeah, if he was tall, fair or dark doesn't matter, handsome matters, extremely smart and intelligent, I can go on with the qualities, but if he has all those qualities, he doesn't need to get me jewelry. I think men get jewelry for women either when they're guilty or when they're overcompensating for some lack of something in their life. I've seen a lot of men who go and buy jewelry when they're doing something wrong for their wives and girlfriends. I know all the men who are sitting here will agree with me.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.